Hello there guys, and welcome to Prepare Your Pan channel. Today we will make the ultimate mac and cheese. I'm calling this the ultimate mac and cheese as we are going to use 5 types of cheese. I choose to go with Mozzarella, Grana Padano, Brie, Cheddar, Emmentaler cheese, but you can use any type of cheese you prefer. Grate all the types of cheese, because we are going to make the sauce from scratch. We will start by making a roux, which basically means equal parts of fat and flour. I'm using 50 grams of unsalted butter and 50 grams of flour. Once the butter is completely melted, we will pour in our flour in batches as we want to avoid forming lumps. We will constantly mix until the flour is cooked and for around 4 minutes. Then you will start adding the milk, also in batches. Let it simmer for 10 minutes and the roux is done. Now we can start adding our cheese, but don't use it all as we will bake this guy and we want a nice crust of cheese. This is the reason for baking your mac and cheese. Stirring constantly until all the cheese is melted, and what you remain with is a thick and delicious cheese sauce. Don't forget to taste and season your sauce with salt and pepper. Now it's time to boil our pasta. I'm using the classic elbow shape for mac and cheese. You want to cook them for less than you would normally would, as they will keep cooking in the oven. Taste your pasta, and once they are al dente, transfer them into a bowl or directly into the baking dish. Now generously add your cheese sauce, making sure you cover each pasta. Sprinkle the remaining cheese on top and bake in a preheated oven for 20 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is how my mac and cheese looks after 20 minutes in the oven. This is my recipe for making the ultimate mac and cheese. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if yes, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for new recipes. Have a great day guys, bye!